Look, what we found, and we go inside to see what is the point where the distant times were living here, or a special place where our ancestors were spending time and making it because the work of the work could be seen on its walls. Here we felt that the bear or any other dangerous animal might be resting there, so we tried to make a sound. Here had unconsciously felt an ancient sense and traveling in time. A poor bat that looked very physically weak, and it was interesting that it was the only one. Life here also shows your challenge, that you have to stay strong and not.
Ay baba. Ay baba.
In this part of the cave, we found out that the way is going from here, the hole is slightly tighter, and we have to walk. I feel like I have to come back here and bring the equipment to you and get a good video for you. Usually, entering such places without equipment is dangerous, and we don't have to take this risk. Here is full of corridors where each of them can be a path. Here again, when we wanted to go out, Babak find another corridor and curiosity to get all the roads, but we are sure to come back and make a video for you to subscribe to our channel to find out about the continuation of this amazing cave. And in the end, I tell you a golden sentence from a singer, and the water will not flow, and the waterfall will not be free from the valley and the cliff.
Zor görüyor ya.
Zülfiyenkişan.
Çay da var. Dağına.
Özür devleti beto.
Özür dilerim. Sen şey yapın diyor. Burada kez içiyor artık. Nasıl?
Hiç selam.
Nasıl geldi? Kuş dilini mi? Neyi soruyorum oğlum?
Hoje eskik.
Yazık.
Ha.
Eskisi.
Nazan.
Açıyorum. Açıyorum.
Çekere kere.
Hayır,